Think your tricep pushdowns are building bigger arms? Think again. Most lifters are making one simple mistake that steals tension away from their triceps and puts it somewhere else. Look around any gym and you'll see people swinging their entire body during pushdowns. They load up too much weight, hoping heavier means better. But instead of training the triceps, they're using momentum to move the cable. And that's where the problem begins. But don't worry, we're about to fix it. Before the weight even moves, your setup determines whether this exercise works or fails. Grab the handle and take a small step back to create a stable position. Keep your chest proud and your shoulders slightly pulled back. Now bring your elbows close to your sides. This is where effective pushdowns begin. Imagine you're gently holding a newspaper under each armpit. When your elbows flare out, tension leaves the triceps and shifts into the shoulders. At the starting position, your elbows should already be locked into place. Now it's time for the movement itself. Push the handle down using only your forearms. Notice how the upper arms stay nearly motionless while the forearms do the work. Continue pressing until your arms are completely straight. At the bottom, pause and squeeze your triceps as hard as possible. Then slowly return the weight to the starting position with full control. Muscle growth doesn't just happen when you push the weight down. It also happens when you resist the weight on the way back up. That's why every rep should be smooth, controlled, and deliberate. Mistake number 1, using momentum instead of muscle. If your whole body is moving, the weight is probably too heavy. Mistake number 2, letting the elbows drift forward. Mistake number 3, stopping before full arm extension. Remember, half reps often lead to half the results. Here's an advanced trick that many lifters never learn. At the bottom of the movement, slightly rotate your hands outward. And instead of simply pushing down, think about driving your pinkies toward the floor. Stand tall. Keep your elbows close. Control every rep, squeeze hard at the bottom. Now here's your challenge. The next time you're in the gym, perform 10 flawless tricep pushdown reps using everything you learned today. No swinging. No cheating. Just pure tricep tension. You'll feel the difference immediately. Bigger arms aren't built from doing more reps, they're built from doing better reps. Keep improving, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next workout. Flexed biceps fire.